Alright, Andy, here's your 247 small block Ford. Use Christmas stone masons instead of our half cast yet. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got the Moroso rear sump wall can. Obviously Borla. Got the front end on it. Make sure alternator charges. Fuel management, always terminator X. We'll make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned.
Dyno, 3,600, 377 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 415, flat there, peak horsepower 459, so it's good. Use full pipe pack, make sure it's good and clean. Show you a couple things. In the green, you find a single credit card. It's a USB card, full of technical information. The crate will be this in the spec sheet. I highly recommend reading it. Have a great day.